Sağ olun, var olun. Allah çıkardı karşımıza sizi. Başınıza da bela olduk.
Estağfurullah.
Sağ olun, var olun. Allah çıkardı karşımıza sizi. Başınıza da bela olduk.
Estağfurullah.
Sağ olun, var olun. This whole sentence means thank you. If we translate var olun by itself, it means to exist. She is telling him to exist, which is wrong. So the whole sentence means thank you. Allah çıkardı karşımıza sizi. She is speaking with him with respect. So she did not tell him sen. She told him siz, which means she is respecting him. She told him siz. So God brought you to us. To us is, as you can see, miza. The a or the a in this small word is to, miz, we. But here it means to us. Başınıza da bela olduk. Here I only colored the da, which means to. Why? Because we cannot translate each word alone. If we translate each word alone, we will have başınıza, your head. Bela, trouble. Olduk, we became. So, that's why I did not color the rest of the words, because you should memorize the term or the phrase as it is. Başınıza da bela olduk means we brought trouble to you too.
Daha alacak nefesiniz, yiyecek lokmalarınız varmış. Daha alacak nefesiniz, yiyecek lokmalarınız varmış.
Daha alacak nefesiniz, yiyecek lokmalarınız varmış. Which means you had more breath to take and bites to eat. In other words, he meant they had time to live. So it's not their death time. They had more breath to take and bites to eat. Daha means more. Alacak nefesiniz means breath to take. İniz is the plural you because they are two or three with their father. Yiyecek is food. Lokma is bite. Lokmalar bites. And varmış had.
Haçlılar nereye götürüyorlardı sizi?
Bilmiyorum. Söylemediler. Esir pazarında satacaklardı herhalde. Babam tüccardır. Akdeniz'de esir düştük.
Haçlılar nereye götürüyorlardı sizi?
Bilmiyorum. Söylemediler. Esir pazarında satacaklardı herhalde. Babam tüccardır. Akdeniz'de esir düştük.
Haçlılar nereye götürüyorlardı sizi? As you can see, this is the translation. Nereye means where to. We have sizi, you, the three of you. Götürmek is to take. Haçlı means crusader. When you put the lar, it gives the plural form, so we say crusaders. Bilmiyorum, söylemediler. Bilmiyorum, I don't know. How do you know that the personal pronoun here is I from the um at the end? Means I. Bilmiyorum, I don't know. Söylemediler, they did not say also. How do you know that they mean here the they pronoun from the ler, which means they, plural. In the description box below, I will link to my video where I spoke about the personal pronouns and their suffixes. You can watch that after this video. Esir pazarında satacaklardı herhalde. Babam tüccardır. Akdeniz'de esir düştük. Now you can see the translations. I will just explain a couple of things. Pazarında, in the market. The da in this word means in. We have babam, my dad, my father. Why? Because the m over here means mine, my. So my father. Akdeniz'de, this de also means in. Esir düştük, as it is, means we fell as prisoners, which means we were captured. We became prisoners. This was a short movie about learning Turkish through movies. If you think this is beneficial, please share it with others and subscribe to the channel. I will upload other useful videos inshallah, and don't forget again to subscribe and share with those who are learning Turkish. Assalamu alaikum.